Our planet is a place of extraordinary beauty. From towering mountains to deep oceans, Earth is full of natural wonders that take our breath away. These incredible places inspire us with awe and a sense of adventure. They remind us of the power and beauty of the natural world. Join me now as we journey to some of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth. Prepare to be amazed by the scale and splendor of these natural treasures. We will travel from the depths of the Grand Canyon to the summit of Mount Everest. The northern lights will dance for us, and Victoria Falls will roar. We will explore the rich diversity of the Amazon rainforest and dive into the underwater world of the Great Barrier Reef. These natural wonders are more than just beautiful places. They are vital parts of our planet's ecosystem. They remind us of the importance of protecting our natural world for future generations. So let us embark on this adventure together. Open your mind to the wonders of nature and let them inspire you. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. The Grand Canyon, a vast scar on the Earth's surface, stretches as far as the eye can see. Carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, it is a testament to the power of nature. The canyon's layers of rock tell a story of geological time. From the rim, the view is breathtaking. The canyon's depths seem to go on forever. Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth, stands as a majestic giant. Its peak pierces the sky, a beacon for climbers worldwide. The air is thin at this altitude, the slopes are treacherous, yet the beauty of the Himalayas is undeniable. Snow-capped peaks rise all around, creating a scene of awe-inspiring grandeur. The northern lights, a celestial ballet of light, illuminate the night sky. Green, blue and purple hues dance and shimmer, creating an ethereal spectacle. This natural phenomenon occurs when charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's atmosphere. The result is a breathtaking display of light that leaves viewers in awe. Victoria Falls, a curtain of water on a grand scale, plunges into a chasm with a deafening roar. The Zambezi River, full of power, creates this spectacle. Mist rises high above the falls, creating rainbows in the air. Victoria Falls is a powerful reminder of the beauty and force of nature. The Amazon rainforest, a vibrant tapestry of life, teems with biodiversity. This vast expanse of rainforest is home to countless species of plants and animals. The air is thick with humidity. The forest floor is a carpet of green. The Amazon is a vital part of our planet's ecosystem, and its preservation is crucial. The Great Barrier Reef, an underwater wonderland, shimmers with color. Coral reefs, home to a dazzling array of marine life, stretch for miles. Fish of every shape and size dart among the coral. Turtles glide through the water. The Great Barrier Reef is a fragile ecosystem, but it is also a place of great beauty and wonder. These natural wonders remind us of the beauty and fragility of our planet. They inspire us to protect and preserve these treasures for generations to come.